over by the door. Do you want to see how it's like all around?
This one doesn't really splash.
But it's growing. It's like
So I can do this.
seeping.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. What about the baseboard, like behind the television set thing?
What about it?
Like behind the wall. Is this wet over here?
I mean, my guess would be yes, it's all running this way.
Yeah. Alright.
Yep.
Yeah, you can hear it. Okay. So it's the full length of the house, all the way to the front, and then you took pictures of, in this box, there's
Yes.
water underneath.
Yep.
Where the turn-off valve is?
And
Okay.
it continues, as it continues to sop it up, to move this way. So
Right.
sooner or later, this shit's gonna have to go too.
Right.
So
Okay.
maybe I should focus on that.
I'm getting stuff out.
There's still boxes over here.
Yeah.
So maybe that's what I'll do now.
Oh, yeah, look. The drywall back here.
I don't think I took a picture of that.
So basically, yeah, all this drywall is need to gonna come up. And this is gonna get stinky and moldy, and the longer we wait, the worse. Okay, so